there, designers. So I'm in the clay studio because that's where I am, getting your design kits ready, and I just wanted to give you a sense of what you're getting with this. So you're going to get 10 pieces of illustration board. That's the stuff with the writing on the back. Illustration board is designed to be used for your final project. So each week you're going to have a project, and then you're going to have some sketches leading up to it. So this is for that. I think I'm going to give you 2 different sizes, but you should have 10 sheets of this. You are going to get an X-Acto knife, or I think it's actually technically a knife, Nick Pro hobby knife, but it's a knife you can use. Make sure, beware, it's a sharp blade. When you're cutting with it, make sure you're cutting on something that you don't mind scratching up. You'll each get one of those. You'll each get a thing of glue. So this is PVA, adhesive, and a paintbrush. You will only get one. But these are for doing collage. It's just a nicer quality glue than like a Elmer's or something. I've got a couple of pens we're gonna get you because some people had trouble getting dark lines last quarter. I've got a little bit of tracing paper, some transparencies that we'll use later in the quarter, and then some construction paper. So you're gonna get a big sheet or 2 of black construction paper that we'll use in project 2, and then you'll get some colored and textured papers that we'll use in, I think it's project 7. So there's a texture pattern assignment. So that's all you're getting in the kit. You don't have colored pencils, you don't have crayons, you don't have marker. Well, you have 2 pens, but you're not getting thick markers. So that's the kind of stuff, a pencil, eraser, that's the kind of stuff I want to make sure you get on your own. I've got the list of materials that you need. The main one you got to get pretty quick here, I'm guessing you have pencils and pens at home. The one you got to get pretty quick is we need a sketchbook. So if you have a partly used sketchbook, you're welcome to just work in that. If you do not have a sketchbook, head over to the YVC bookstore and you can pick one up there. If you have no way of making colored marks on paper, you need to get some colored pencils or some crayons or some colored markers. If you have old stuff, just old, like these are lying around, these were my kids, you know, whatever, that's fine. They don't need to be brand new. But I am going to ask you to make color at some point. In fact, week 4 for sure. All right, thanks.